Hi everyone, here we've got an Oppo A15 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the battery. Let's tap on it, and here we have to again scroll down in order to find this option, show battery percentage on status bar. So obviously right now this option is turned off, we've got only the battery icon on the status bar, so in order to turn it on just tap on the switcher, and as you can see actually immediately inside the battery icon we've got the exact percentage on the usage of the battery. Obviously you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher, but let me leave it like this because it's quite useful. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your Oppo A15. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.